In today's growing health and wellness market, packaging plays a vital role in protecting your product and building consumer trust. That's where PET colored packer bottles from US Plastic deliver. Designed for vitamins, dietary supplements, gummies, capsules, powders, and other wellness products, these bottles offer a professional, retail-ready appearance that helps your brand stand out on the shelf. Available in a variety of colors, they can help shield light-sensitive products while creating a clean, recognizable look consumers associate with quality and reliability. Manufactured from durable PET plastic, these bottles are lightweight, impact-resistant, and designed to withstand the demands of manufacturing, shipping, and everyday use. The included plain caps help provide a secure closure, helping keep products protected from production to purchase. Whether you're packing daily vitamins, nutritional supplements, immunity support products, or popular gummy formulations, PET colored packer bottles offer the versatility and performance your brand needs. Choose PET colored packer bottles with plain caps from usplastic.com, a dependable packaging solution for today's health-conscious consumers.